In this video, I'll show you how to buy Say on Binance. This video is only for educational purposes only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. Open up your Binance, click on the ad. So you can be able to buy it through the USD, that is through bank transfer and card. You can be able to also buy it through the P2P trading. Now, the next way for you to be able to buy Say on Binance is for you to have some crypto in your Binance. You can have Sol, you can have USDT, you can have any of them. So come on to this trade, click on convert. So you're going to be converting some part of the money, some part of the crypto you have to Say. So come on to the second option, type in Say. First option, type in the coin you want to convert it from. So it can be USDT. So from this option, let me say if you want to get 100, so you can be able to get 315. So this is basically how you can be able to buy Say with some Binance balance you have on your crypto account. So this video, I hope you find this video helpful. Please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.